what should be subtracted means क्या घटाया जाना चाहिए, क्या घटाया जाना चाहिए, from what, किससे, what should be subtracted from 10. what's the meaning of from guys? Same. From 10 means 10, same. From 10 means 10, same. From 9 means 9, same. From 15 means 15, same. So what should be subtracted from 10? What's the Hindi meaning of this sentence? What should be subtracted from 10 means 10 से क्या घटाया जाना चाहिए. So suppose there is a number 10, there is a number 10 and we have to find out one number. एक ऐसे नंबर को ढूंढना है जिसको इससे घटाने पर क्या आए. 3/4. ओके 3/4 क्लियर ना. ओके एंड आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू व्हेन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मिसिंग नंबर, जब कोई मिसिंग नंबर पता करना हो, सो आफ्टर सॉल्यूशन व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन, लेट द नंबर बी like solution, then write down let the number be, just suppose anything x, y, z, anything, so let the number be what, x. In math language to get or is means what, equal sign. This step is clear. Now how will be the next step? ABCD will be in left hand side and number will be transposed in right hand side. So minus x is equals to whatever is already written in right hand side. First of all we have to write down that number. So which number is already written in right hand side? 3/4. We have to write down this number first. Which number is being transposed? 10. This one is plus or minus? Now plus. So after transposing, plus will get converted into minus. Next step, minus x is equals to, this one is what, mixed fraction or improper fraction? So what we have to do, we have to convert this into improper fraction. Formula is clear now? What is the formula? Whole number numerator denominator is equals to whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. So let's apply the same formula. What's the whole number? 3. So 3 will be multiplied by 4. Then plus or minus? Plus. What's the numerator? 3 divided by 4 minus 10. Already have told you if there is no denominator, so what we can suppose? अगर कोई denominator नहीं है, so क्या मानेंगे वहाँ पर? 1. So 10 has no denominator, so what we can suppose here? 1. The next step, minus x. Okay, 4 3 is 12 plus 3 divided by 4. Then 10 divided by 1. Then again let's solve the next step. X is equals to what we get here? 15 divided by 4 minus 10 divided by 1. So from here again we have two steps. One step is what? One method is LCM method and one method is cross multiply method. So which method to use? Cross multiply. Okay, so let's try cross multiply. Minus x is equals to 15 will be multiplied by 1. What's the sign here? So I do minus 10 will be multiplied by 4 divided by 4 will be multiplied by 1. Next step, 15 ones are 15 minus 10 fours are 40 divided by 4. So now see here, one is plus and one is minus. So what we have to do, addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So 40 minus 15. Okay, and in left hand side what's the number? Minus x. So minus x is equals to, let's subtract this. 40 minus 15. 25. Now see here, which one is greater number, 15 or 40? 40. And before greater number what's the sign? Okay, maybe just by mistake that happened, that's okay. Okay, that's okay. Just see which one is greater, 15 or 40? 40. And before greater number what's the sign? Minus. And what's the condition? Whatever the sign is before greater number, बड़ी संख्या के सामने जो भी चिन्ह है वो वाला चिन्ह लिखना है. So 40 is greater, and before greater number what's the sign? So what we have to write down? Minus. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. Up to here is clear. One day I just told you one thing. Suppose there is a river. Across this river, if this one is also orange, this one is also orange. Same or different? Suppose Niharika, suppose this one is what? This one is orange and this one is orange. What is not looking like orange? It's looking like orange. Okay. So I mean, simply just understand, guys. Suppose this river is equal sign. River is equal sign. If before equal sign and after equal sign number, I mean sign. Sign means chinha. If the sign are same, so the sign will be cancelled. What's the sign here? What's the sign here? And between this there is a river. इनके बीच में क्या है? एक नदी. And before, I mean just this side of river there is minus sign, and that side of river is also minus sign. So sign is same or different? Same. So this minus and minus will be cancelled. So what will be remaining? X is equals to 25 divided by 4. This is one answer. But if you want to convert this into mixed fraction, so method is clear now. How to convert into mixed fraction? 25 will be multiplied by 4. How many times? 6 times. What we will get here? 24. Now 25 minus 24? 1. What's the okay, now just tell me which who will tell me? Ankit. Which one is the numerator? This numerator. 1 is numerator. Niharika, which one is denominator? This one is denominator. And which one is whole number? 6. 6 is whole number. This much is clear now? Okay, now let's convert this one into mixed fraction. What's the formula of mixed fraction? What we have to write down first? Whole number. What's the whole number? 6. So write down 6. Then what we have to write down? Numerator. What's the numerator? 1. Okay, numerator is 1 divided by denominator. What's the denominator? 4. So this is gonna be the answer. Is this clear? Okay, there's no doubt in this question now.